Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add friends or contacts in WhatsApp. Really easy to do, just takes like a minute. So all I have to do is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application, and then you just want to ensure that you're on the Chats tab. So that's the fourth tab on iPhones. Once you are over on that tab, you want to go ahead and click on the button in the top right to create a new chat, or just click on Start Messaging if you don't have any chats currently. But I'm just going to click on the top right, and then you just want to click on New Contact. And then all you have to do here is just add a name. So I'll just add test. And then you just have to put in a random phone number. So I'll go ahead and just throw in a random phone number for the tutorial's sake, but you would obviously add in your friend's information here. So let's go ahead and put one in. Once you have a phone number in, you want to click on save. And then that contact will now be saved into your WhatsApp. So now if you click on done, and you click on cancel, and if you want to go ahead and send that new contact a message, you click on the start new message, and then you just search for the name, and then you add them, and there you go. Really easy to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to add new friends and contacts into WhatsApp. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.